Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Conveniently located just 45 minutes from Melbourne CBD and 5 to 10 minutes from Fountain Gate Shopping Centre, as your trusted automotive partner, we take pride in offering a diverse range of vehicles to suit every style and need. Feel the power of Australian muscle with the 2016 Holden Commodore VF Series 2 SSV. Under the bonnet, a 6.2-litre V8 delivers raw, naturally aspirated performance, now enhanced with a cold air intake and upgraded exhaust for sharper throttle response and a throatier, more aggressive sound. Paired with a 6-speed sports automatic and rear-wheel drive, it's built for drivers who crave a real connection to the road. Bold, refined, and unapologetically loud, this SSV isn't just a car, it's a piece of Aussie motoring history.